Hi, so today in the tutorial I'll be showing you how to install the vmworkstation 11, the latest version on Linux made machine. So it's kinda easy to install. You just have to put out first, you have to install the requirement package, and then at last you just have just to configure the VM. That's it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Step number one, open up the terminal, test. Make sure that you have an internet connection, so this is good. Then what you could do, we have to install the primary package before the installation of a VM machine. So concerning the command will be on the video description. What we'll need is, okay, this is for the VM tools, this is gonna be for the VM tools, okay. Then concerning the GCC build essential, this is the compiler which is gonna compile the kernel, so that whenever you use vmworkstation there won't be panic. So it's very important to install all this. You type in sudo su /c apt-get install, and you type in the name of the package what you want to install. Basically all these packages already included in the Linux made repo, so it should not be a problem. So we're just gonna type in the admin password. Here we go. It's gonna install all the package. I'm just gonna say yes. Here we go. So now the installation process has begun concerning the package of the means VM tools package and everything. So I'm just gonna wait that this is over. In the meantime, I'm just gonna pause the video. Here we go. It's mostly finished installing, so I'm just gonna wait. Blah blah blah. Take a bit time because creep internet connection, but anyway. So now it's just setting up. As you can see, it's setting up the VM tools and the GCC. Here we go. So it's done. Now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna show you how to, by default, whenever you download the setup file from VM official website, this is not executable on Linux, so you have to chmod it. So we're just gonna navigate on the desktop. First cd desktop ls. So here it is. I'm just gonna do chmod plus y and this, and I'm gonna type in the VM bundle. I'm just gonna write this here and hit enter. Then to run the file, just type in / name of the file completely, hit enter, root access. Oh, okay. So what you have to do, you have to type in sudo, then type in this, and you type in the VM name, and basically it should work fine. Here we go. This is the installer for the VM virtual machine. You accept the condition, type in next. I accept next. Would you like to check for the date? Oh no. Oh yes, maybe. No, not right now. Next. Would you like to help VM by sending? Yeah, okay, no problem. This is going to be your host name. This is going, you can choose where you want to install the virtual machine. For me it's by default on the main directory, so it's not an issue. This is going to be the port using for HTTP server. License key, I'm just gonna enter the license key. I'm pausing the video. So yes, the license key is on. Now we can install the program. Now what happened, it's just gonna install everything that you need about vmworkstation. Going for installation process is not really that difficult to do. I'm just gonna type back the command so that you can remember. So step number one, you have to install the requirement package. For this, here is the command. Step number two, you navigate to your path. First command is you have to make the file executable. So you type in sudo, then chmod plus x. You type in the software path. Easy. and to run it, it is sudo dot and software path. That's it. There's nothing big to install the VM workstation. As you can see, it's installing fine. No error message, nothing. So I'm just gonna wait up that this install. I'm just gonna pause the video one more time for it to install when I take back. And as you can see, it's installing, configuring the application, VM tools, software patch, and everything up running. So we say depending on what core you have, the installation might take from 5 minutes to 10, but it's not too big to install. So now it's installing the VIX, installing the VM station itself. So means first it's gonna install the tool, and in the end it just configure and install the VM machine. It's not really big to install, but it takes time. Sometimes it takes a little time. I'm just gonna wait. So what is about my channel? It's just gonna show Linux tutorial people who interested using Linux in every daily use. We say every day. People really want to use Linux every day, do testing. I'm just gonna make videos about pen testing, programming, and anything else. You see. So here we go. So basically, the installation process has done. To run the VM, if you type in VMware, I think it should open my VM machine. I'm just gonna wait. Here we go. So the installation process is done, and we just successfully install VM workstation. You can create your machine, you can select the type of machine you want to use, and do whatever you want, set up your lab and do whatever you want. I just hope that you enjoy the tutorial. Stick to the channel, more coming soon. Bye bye.